Welcome back guys. Today we'll be continuing graph theory. So today we'll be learning matrix representation of a graph. So first, this is a totally a new topic of graph. So today we'll be learning about adjacency matrix of a graph. So that will be for connected and non-directed. So let me write this. Let G be a undirected and connected graph with n vertices. The adjacency matrix will be given as or denoted as it is defined as A of ij n cross n. It is only for square matrix where Aij is the number of edges between vertices of I and between vertices of j. And simply to explain this, let me show an example. Suppose you have a graph like this. This will be joint, and this is A, B, C, D. 4 vertices are there in this example graph. So now let us see what the adjacency matrix will be. So to make the adjacency matrix, you need to write the number of vertices on the both sides, on horizontal rows and on vertical columns. So now we'll make a matrix. So for adjacency matrix of a graph of connected and non-directed feature, so we need to basically see the number of paths connecting between the given vertices, and for self loop it is 2, like the degree. So from A to A we can go by 4 ways, for 2 ways, and since it is self loop it will be 4. Now from A to B, so A to B we can go in 1 way, so it will be 1. Now from A to C we can go in 0 ways because no path is there, no edge is connected, and A to D is 1. Now similarly B to A is 1, B to B is 0, and B to C is 1, B to D is 1. We see that from C to C there is only one path, but it is, since it is self loop, it will be 2. Now I made a mistake. C to A is 0, C to B is 1, and C to C is 2, and C to D is 2 ways again. Now D to A is 1, D to B is 1, D to C is 2, and D to D is 0. So now there are some key points for this. So the adjacency matrix of an undirected connected graph will always be symmetric. That is, A of Ji will be A of Ij, and it is always a square matrix, and the sum of rows or column of any row or column will give the degree of that vertices. So for A it is 1 plus 2, 4 plus 6. This is 4, 1, 2, 6. 4 plus 1 plus 1, this is 6. So this was all about adjacency matrix.